If you want to sell your home at the highest price, you need to focus on 4 key areas. Number 1 is presentation of the home. Number 2 is the marketing behind the home. Number 3 is pricing the home correctly and making it competitive. Number 4 is providing service not only to yourself, but the buyers and the buyer's agent. If you don't get one of these things right, you're going to leave money on the table. Part 1 of presenting the home properly is you need to declutter the house and you need to get it deep cleaned. You want to make sure that the house is shining when buyers come in and they see it in its best condition. Part 2 of presenting the home properly is you need to get it staged. What you want to do is you want to make sure that it's in its best condition and people, as soon as they see it, they fall in love with that house. Staged homes sell for 3 to 5% more. 46% of buyers that view a home online are more willing to see it in person because they see such gorgeous pictures of the house. Part 3 of presenting a home properly online is making sure you get professional photography done. 90% of all home searches begin online, and if people see your home nicely and presented with the right angles, online they're more likely to visit it in person. That means hiring a professional photographer to make sure he comes, he gets the right angles of your home, and make sure the pictures look beautiful online, and make sure he gets a 4K video tour of your home so we can showcase a video version of your home online everywhere. Other parts of making sure that your home is marketed properly is making sure you get international exposure. We do email marketing for you, print media, just listed, postcards mailed all over your neighborhood. We conduct open houses for you, make sure we call all your neighbors in the neighborhood so everybody in the neighborhood knows that your home is listed on the market, and if they have potential relatives that are looking to move in the neighborhood, they can share that information with them.